What's up, unicorns? Today we're making gummies! And they are unicorn gummies! So, stay tuned and we will get started. So in this box, you will receive an instruction manual, 5 packets for your gummies. You have the sour, the white, red, blue, and yellow gummy mixes. You have your little stencil thing with all your unicorns, your clouds, and your rainbows. And you get little pouch thingies and some stickers. Alright, you guys, so we're going to start by making the easiest one, which is the clouds. Then we're going to go on to our unicorns, and then we're going to make the 6-colored rainbow. Wish me luck on this though, because I don't know how this is going to turn out. But we shall see. And don't forget to have some fun with this, you guys. Alright, so to make our clouds, what I did was I got some of our white powder. I took 1 tablespoon of white, and then I added 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of hot water. It needs to be hot, guys. And you just get the hot water from your faucet, and then you're just going to stir it. So you guys, you can kind of see I poured perfectly on like 2 of them, and then the last ones, I don't know what happened. And I just kind of let it get away from me. But what we do is we pour it in there. That's why I picked this to use, because it's an easy pour, because it has a little spout. So I thought, so yeah, just wait for it to harden, and then once it hardens, you can take them out, and then you have some gummies. Alright guys, so this is how the clouds turned out. Now on to the unicorns. So for these, you're going to do the same thing you did with the clouds. I went ahead and used the red. You can use any flavor, honestly, that you guys want. It's going to be 1 tablespoon and then of powder, and then 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of water. And just remember, guys, you need to make sure it's hot water, because otherwise it will not work. So we're going to let these sit, take them out, and we'll see how they turn out. Alright, you guys, so this is how the unicorns turned out. And now we're going to make some rainbows. Alright, you guys, so here's what we got. In order to make your colors, you're going to use 1.5 teaspoons of each color. So what I did was I used 1.5 of yellow and 1.5 of red to make orange, 1.5 of yellow, 1.5 of blue to make green, 1.5 of blue, and 1.5 of red to make purple. And I just kind of mixed them together. In all honesty, I couldn't get them into the lines. I guess I don't have the patience for it. I don't know what I did wrong, but it's okay. And then I just went ahead and made some extras of these little guys. Next, I'm just going to keep finishing up with all my colors so all my gummies can be made. And that is the video, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you want to see more like this, or if you want to see something different. The pack I got this from, I'm going to put the description down below, as well as the link to get them. I got them from Amazon. It's a great little fun thing to do, especially if you're like me and you're a candy fiend. So stay tuned for the next video, you guys. See you in the next show.